Hey, my name is Matt from 777, and today we're going to be installing our magnetic paddle shifters and the carbon covers on our A90 Supra. We're going to be going from this to this. So for starters, we're going to be taking our alcohol pet pads, cleaning off the face of the paddle shifter, the back, and where the static bracket is going to mount behind the steering wheel. Next, for a more permanent installation, we're going to be using automotive adhesion promoter. It is up to you if you choose to use this. Then we're ready for the actual shifters themselves. We're going to take the shifter alone with the static bracket without the cover, peel the 3M, then place the paddles and static bracket on the back of the factory shifters, making sure they make full contact with the adhesive and firmly press them to set them in place. Lastly, we're going to take our carbon covers, peel the 3M tape, and snap them onto the face of the shifters. Now that the installation is complete, we're going to go out for a drive and test them out.